Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a border into two columns in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add a border into two column in this document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then you can see here are a drawing option, then click plus new option. Now you can see here are a drawing menu. Now we choose a rectangle, insert a rectangle here. Now you off the fill color in this rectangle and add a border color red, increase border width to 12 pixels, then press save and close. Now go, you can't move this column border. At first you have to select this border, then go to image option. Now click in front of text, then you move these borders. Now we resize this first column border. Now we copy this border, right click these borders, then press copy. Now paste here. Now go to again text wrapping option to move these borders. Click in front of text. Now align these borders. Now you can see I add borders into two columns in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.